folks. We're here at the Elmore State Club for another episode of How Do You Do That? Golf Course Maintenance. I'm your host, Josh Collins, and about once a week, what we do is we take care of the range. Sort of give the rest of the course a day off, relieve a little bit of the stress that we put on it on a weekly basis. And so today's Tuesday. Normally we do that on Monday, but today's Tuesday, and so what I'm going to sort of take you through is how you know fairways. Because you might be asking me, Josh, when you do all the stuff you do on the course on a weekly basis, how do you have time to take care of the range? Well, it's days like this where we shut down the rest of the course, and we'll both drain the tees, drain the fairways, take care of the bunkers. And this is the mower that we'll be I've been mowing the fairways with. The 2653. Come take a look at this. It's an older mower, but it still works. We have the throttle right here. We can engage the reels like this, and then we lower and raise the reels right here. And you got your forward and backward over there. Takes diesel. And so you don't have to do the whole mowing aspect of it. That can take a while. Of course, see here, it's not really striped, it doesn't really look good. So what we're going to do, ideally, is take grass that looks like this and turn it into this.
Wait a minute, Josh. That ain't right.
Oh, wait. No, 1 second. What are you looking at? Like this. Finally, we got it. That's pretty much it, folks. We just wanted to make it look as straight as possible, look as nice as possible, and once a week, top grass we have out here perfect for making it look nice after golf. So that may be about it today, folks. Wanted to keep it simple, short and simple for you guys. Hope everybody had a good Memorial Day, and we'll catch you next time on How Do You Do That? Golf Course Maintenance.